Moving doesn't have to be a nightmare. At Secured Storage Solutions in Alma, we see it all. Here are 8 hacks for a stress-free transition. Hack 1. Start early. Pack one room at a time, beginning with the things you use the least, like that holiday decor or heavy winter coats. Hack 2. Use the right boxes. Heaviest items go in small boxes, lighter items in large ones. Your back will thank you later. Hack 3. Don't just bubble wrap, use what you have. Wrap your breakables in towels, linens, or even clean socks to save space and money. Hack 4. Label everything. Not just the room, but a quick list of contents. Write it on the side of the box, not the top, so you can see it when stacked. Hack 5. The essential box. Pack one box with toiletries, chargers, and a change of clothes so you aren't hunting for a toothbrush on night 1. Hack 6. Take photos of your electronics. Snap a picture of the back of your TV and computer before unplugging so you know exactly where those wires go. Hack 7. Keep hardware together. Put furniture screws and bolts into small bags and tape them directly to the back of the furniture item. Hack 8. Use your vertical space. When you move into your unit here in Alma, stack your sturdiest boxes at the bottom and work your way up. Moving this spring? We've got the space you need with 24/7 security. Visit us in Alma and let's make your next move your easiest one yet.